Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming the terminal matches the wire gauge and application. This prevents poor contact or failure. Once done, strip about 5-7 mm of insulation so the conductor is fully exposed without fraying. Next, inspect the terminal. The barrel should accept the exposed strands snugly. Make sure to use a crimper or die that matches the terminal type and material, because the correct tool controls deformation and ensures electrical and mechanical reliability. Now twist the conductor strands gently so they enter the barrel as a compact bundle. This reduces stray strands and improves contact. Insert the wire until the insulation meets the terminal collar, which ensures strain relief and proper crimp location. Position the terminal in the crimper jaws using the tool's marking or the correct die. Misalignment will cause a weak or cut crimp. Apply steady pressure, if hydraulic or ratcheting. Allow the tool to complete its cycle for consistent compression. Finish by compressing the crimper until the mechanism fully closes. You should feel or hear the ratchet release when complete. Once done, inspect the crimp visually. It must show uniform deformation, no pinched strands, and insulation should sit at the collar. Make sure to perform a gentle pull test and measure continuity or resistance. A loose connection or elevated resistance means recrimp or replace the terminal. If the wire slips, restrip a fresh end and repeat with the correct die.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.